Hi Aunt Lisa, it's me Joey, and I'm going to show you how to put this web machine together. First you take this piece right here, you stick it in here, and then you take this thing with medicine in it. You can get this at the pharmacy. You take it off, twist the cap off, and then you squeeze it into the middle part right here. Like that, until it's empty. And then you take this piece right here, you push it on really tight, screw it, and you take this, stick it on. There should be a tube, and there would be a hole right here. You take the tube, stick it in there, you take this part, stick it at the bottom, and then you turn it on. Well, first I have to show you the filter. There's a filter right here that I can't seem to get out. Okay, anyway, there's a filter right there. And then there should be a switch right here. You turn it on. And here's the mist that should be coming out of it. Push it in.